Come test drive the 2026 A6. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.